and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm here at Bargo. Coming up, platform number 1 we have N13 bound for Campbelltown. It'll be stopping at Tarmore, then following by Picton, Douglas Park, Menangle Park, Macarthur and Campbelltown. N13 was the set.
Bargo Station.
Just going to give you guys a quick overview of Bargo Station.
And we have an Endeavour arriving into platform 2 for a Mossvale service.
And we just have an Endeavour arriving on platform number 2 for a Mossvale service.
The set is N3.
It's a mixed bag, 2853 linear locomotive. The carriage on the screen is 2807. Just put into platform number 2 for a Mossvale service. It'll be stopping at Yarrambull, then followed by Medaghan, Barwell, Barado and Mossvale. Just right, the screen is platform 1 for services to Tarmore, Picton and onto Campbelltown. 2853 and 2807 is now departing platform number 2 for a Mossvale service. This train will be stopping at Yarrambull, then following by Medaghan, Barwell, Barado and Mossvale. We should have a Endeavour about to pull in on platform number 1 for a Campbelltown service. This train will stop at Tarmore, then followed by Picton, Douglas Park, Menangle Park, Macarthur and Campbelltown.
The set is
N5 is the set.
And here we have a freight train.
We have 4B M7 passing through platform number 2. LDP 002 leading. LDP 008 and LDP 004. Mossvale service about to arrive on platform number 2 at Bargo. This train will be stopping at Yarrambull, then followed by Medaghan, Barwell, Barado and Mossvale.
The set is
N12 is the set. N12 now departing platform number 2, Mossvale service. This train will be stopping at Yarrambull, then followed by Medaghan, Barwell, Barado and Mossvale. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, the sun's about to go down, so I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.